Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account was banned on TikTok. So guys, when you have opened your TikTok and facing this issue that your account has been banned, so guys, how can you unban your account? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to submit an appeal to unban your account. So guys, simply you have to click on this appeal button, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, first of all you have to take a screenshot of that to ban account, and guys, after this you have to upload your screenshot from here. So guys, now simply you have to click on this, and guys, after this you have to select that screenshot and click on confirm. And guys, after uploading a screenshot, here you need to write hello TikTok team. So guys, after this, here you need to write an appeal that is, hello TikTok team, my account is banned due to any reason. I have not violated any community guidelines of TikTok. Please unban my TikTok as soon as possible. And guys, after this, here you need to write your email address for contact purpose. So guys, now I am going to write here an email. And guys, after this, simply you have to click on submit, and guys, your appeal will be submitted. As you can see here, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, you need to fill this captcha. So guys, as you can see here, simply, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see, page is on loading. Simply now you can see verification has been complete, and thanks for submitting your appeal. And guys, after a few minutes they will contact you on your email, and guys, after this your account will be unbanned. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.